Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows Update error 0x80240016, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So the main resolution is to reset Windows Update components. Now we have a script for you, and all you need to do is copy the script, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Paste the script here and hit enter. Now I'll tell you what this script does. It will stop the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows Update profile. It will delete the contents of the software distribution in cat2 folders. It will re-register the set DLLs. It will reset WinSock, and finally it will restart the services. But if this doesn't fix, you can still try running the Windows Update troubleshooter. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select Troubleshoot. Select Other Troubleshooters and click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.